Television series Head High actresses Manuka and Tiao have set up a new project to make acting more accessible to rangatahi on the coast. The pair said they were inspired to bring this opportunity for the rangatahi to Tolaga Bay and Gisborne because of how transformative acting can be for youth.
It's just about giving them a space to feel safe and be creative and explore. So this is phase 1.
Rangatahi will learn how to convey themselves as an artist, script breakdowns, auditions, and gain confidence within themselves as a performer. Cost of lunches and transport are provided.
I know that everyone doesn't have money for a holiday program, and that maybe people can't afford to bring lunch along, or maybe live half an hour up the coast, so might not be able to get there every day because that's so much driving and petrol. So we just try to identify as many barriers as possible and tackle them all. Well, tackle a lot of them to make it easier for our rangatahi to be able to come.
The 3 rangatahi tāne who took part in the workshop at Tolaga Bay Area School were thrilled that they chose to try something new. They have been acting out Shortland Street scripts, learning stage combat, and are shooting their own short film about a boy moving to a new school, struggling to fit in because he is not good at basketball.
Learn new things, how to be brave in front of people. We know how to do stage combat instead of actually hurting ourselves.
Workshop tutor and the Deadlands actor Richard Tiare said it was important at rangatahi to know exactly how special they were.
Although you might come from maybe a smaller place that doesn't have as many resources around them, that we can help them actually go, well, there are connections out there that we're willing to come to you, so that they don't feel isolated in a place where maybe there's not as much mentorship around them.
Luiten-Apirana said she would love to say the workshop was a smaller part of a bigger dream.
In the future, I'd love to have a massive holiday program where the kids get to pick what they do. Like, I might run the performing one, and there might be like a whakairo one or a music one, and they get to just choose a discipline to really hone in on and show their pukenga.
Eventually, the women hope to open their own full-time centre here on the East Coast, providing masterclasses for the rangatahi that want to explore their creativity through visual arts, acting, music, and performances. They also want to be able to provide alternative therapies for kids who may not fit in within current therapies available in Tairawhiti. Hinepehinga Rauna said how she wants to have a permanent fixture on the coast and Gizzy and eventually go nationwide.
I want to build centres around the country that offer all of these services, and we work with the industry to provide opportunities for our Māori communities, our Pacifica communities, our Indian, our Chinese, basically just a space for anyone who doesn't fit in the mould to have a place to come to and explore and be safe and be supported.
The Rangatahi Performance Workshop at Tolaga Bay Area School ends this Friday, and the Gisborne workshop runs January 17th until January 28th.